Right now we don't have a logo, but we will have one. If I click on this name, I go to the homepage. And what does it say over here? Posts, nothing found. A WordPress homepage is normally showing the latest post, but we don't have any post. I want the homepage to be a normal page. So I go to the backend, to settings, reading. Front page displays your latest post. I want to change it to a static page, and I want to select the page, home, and the post page, blog. Save the changes. And now if I go to the homepage, it shows the homepage. There's not much information, but it shows the homepage. I want to go to the backend and walk you through the settings. In general, we have our site title, 30 Corp Soup Productions. The tagline, you deserve to be seen. You can also say something else. The URL, your email address. And you can go to the writing. I leave this as it is. Reading, we just changed it. If you want to, you can discourage search engines to following your website. And if you go to media, you can organize all your files into month and year-based folders in your website. And if you uncheck it, it will all be stored in one folder called uploads. I like this one. If I go to permalinks, we discussed it already. So those were the settings